Can you hear me?
Yes. Can you hear me? Hello, is audible?
देखो देखो अच्छा तो स्क्रीन शेयर ना फिर तारा आवाज आ रहा है
Hello?
नहीं बता रही स्क्रीन शेयर बता रही नहीं स्क्रीन शेयर क्या I'm starting.
Hello?
Hello?
I'm going to start this webinar. Okay. Anybody can hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, anybody can hear me?
Yes, Mohib, I can hear you.
Okay.
भाई मुझको बोल तो मुझे हमारा फटी वगैरह बोल दे मुझे ना नाम बोल भाई मैं भी नारी दे
Hi Marvin, are you there? Hello Mustafa, are you there?
Yes, Mohib, I am here.
Okay. Hi Santur, are you there? Hi Pooja, are you there?
Okay, I will use कर लो चलो चलो
Okay, now I'm going to start this webinar. How to create a responsive theme in Liferay. Okay. Okay. Nowadays, we all are using different devices like mobile phone, tablet, desktop, and laptop for web browsing. So we are creating a Liferay theme as a responsive. So each device display proper output. Okay, responsive theme is a device independent design philosophy which spread amongst the design development community. Okay, in Liferay we are using AllowUI to create a responsive theme. Okay, with the help of AllowUI we can create a different resolution and a different size of a screen and display proper output. Okay, so in the AllowUI there is one component, viewport. Okay, so with the help of this viewport we can create a responsive theme in a Liferay. So there are 4 types of resolution in this viewport. One is a 960 for a desktop browser. Second is a 720 for tablet browser and in a portrait mode. And one is a 480 pixel in a smartphone with the landscape mode, and the last one is a 320 pixel width 320 pixel width device with the all smartphone in a portrait mode. So with the help of AllowUI JavaScript, we can create we can create a CSS for each devices. Okay. So now I'm going to start.
viewport services.
Hello.
1888
I'm not here properly.
561 8862, and his social is Hamish Sheva Shalosh, Assad Sheva Arba, Shmona Shalosh Hamish. Wait, say it slower. Hamish Sheva Shalosh, Assad Sheva Arba, Shmona Shalosh Hamish.
I'm not getting your question. Will you please speak slowly in? Okay.
Yeah, but just make sure that it's not some kind of scam.
May I know your name? Who is speaking?
Since we want to very easy to get scammed, I see. All right.
Okay, Marvin.
Bye.
Are you Marvin? Hello? Okay, now I'm going to create a Liferay theme. Okay, so first of all, go to your Eclipse. Screen share. Okay, first of all, go to Eclipse. Create a new project. Create a new Liferay project. And create a new theme, responsive. Okay. I'm just creating a new theme, my responsive. Select the theme. Open it. First of all, we are playing with a classic Liferay default theme, classic theme. So I'm just changing the theme parent property to classic. And then deploy this theme. Okay, now my responsive theme is available for use. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to output view. Okay. Select my responsive theme. Here I'm select this my responsive theme as a current theme. Okay, now I am on my responsive theme. So first of all, we have to create one JS file in our div folder.
And Bert's playing on his iPod for how long? On his iPad for how long? I'm going to take it away. I will use this light other than the iPod. What time did you guys get up?
Marvin, my name is Mustafa. We are not getting your voice clearly. Can you repeat?
What time did you get up?
Marvin, can you just, repeat your question? I'm not getting it.
Hello? Are you hear me?
I need to talk to you about what you want to say. Let me put this away now. Coming right down.
Marvin, your voice is not clear. We are unable to hear you. Can you just a little bit move from your microphone?
Sir, please come here for 1 second.
Okay, then first of all we need to copy this JS folder into our div folder because we need to write one AllowUI script in our main.js file.
You don't want any of this? Okay. Hold on a second. You want
So-
this? You want this? Okay, hold on.
So I have copied this JS folder in my div directory for the differentiation. So first of all, I have to write one code AllowUI viewport in main.js file. So I'm going to write the AllowUI viewport script in main.js file. Okay. So with the help of this file, we can add classes in our HTML. Here I'm going with the with Firebug. Here you can see the HTML classes. Now here you can find the various classes related to a browser and the language. Okay, this LTR it's left to right for particular language. Okay, this is a Firefox, and it's a Windows system. So it display classes related to browser and the system. Okay, so with the help of this AllowUI viewport, okay, you can add more classes related to different devices. So I'm going to deploy this theme. So now my theme is available for use. So I'm going to check the output. Okay. After adding this AllowUI viewport, you can find more classes in the HTML classes. Here you can find the AUI view GT 320, GT 480, GT 720, GT 960, and the view AUI view 960. These classes are based upon the devices. Now my device is a desktop, so it display AUI 960. So my device width is greater than 960 pixel. Okay, so when I reduce my screen size, it automatically change the classes of a HTML class. Okay, now here you can find AUI view 720. Here you can find the AUI 720 and it is a less than 960. So it will add it will automatically add less than 960 class in our HTML classes, and all the greatest classes are available here, like a 320, 480, and a 720. Okay, so when you reduce the browser size, it will automatically change the classes. Now it become AUI view 480, and it's a less than 760 and a less than 960 and less than 720, and a greater than 480. So when I reduce more, it will automatically change to 320. So it will allow us to create a new CSS for each classes. Like we are working on a wrapper class. So normally Liferay Classic theme provide wrapper with a 960 pixel minimum width, and the maximum it's a 990% width. So we have to create more classes in our CSS file. So based upon these classes, I am going to create more classes, more CSS classes in our custom CSS. So first of all, I am going to copy this custom CSS into a div directory. So first of all, I'm going to create one folder called CSS. Okay, and after I'm just copying this custom.css into a CSS. Okay, now our CSS is, we are working on a CSS and a JS. Okay, so JS is now completed. So we are on a custom.css. Okay, here we can find the wrapper class. Okay, here you can find the wrapper class. Wrapper class is by default maximum width equal to 90% and the minimum width equal to 760 pixels. Okay, so I am going to create different classes related to a browser, related to device. Okay, so I have created few classes in this CSS file with a different device resolution, like a 320, 480, 720, and a 960, and it's a base class. Okay, so based upon this class, we can define our wrapper class. Okay, so first of all, I am remove this old wrapper class, because I have write a new wrapper class with a with 960 and the 9 max width equal to 90%. Okay, so with this wrapper, we have to create a fixed width of our web design. Okay. So I am going to deploy this theme. Okay, now my my responsive theme is available for use. Okay, so I'm going to check the output. Okay, I haven't saved this file. Sorry. Okay, now again I'm going to deploy. Okay, now my theme is available for use. Okay, now my width is become changed. Okay, so I'm going to check the various results. Okay, now here in a Firebug you can find this AUI view 960 wrapper with a min width 960. Okay, so when I'm going to change the size of my browser, it will automatically change. Now it become 720. Okay, so based upon this 720 width, our entire design will be reduced. Okay, so now it's a 480. So based upon this 480, our design size will be changed, and now it's a 320. Okay, so based upon this 320 width, we can see our design properly in every device, but it is not sufficient for every device to create a fixed width. So we are going to create this navigation in for each devices. So we have to write a CSS based upon these classes for this navigation. So whenever I reduce, whenever I will open my website into a mobile or a tablet device, it will automatically change the output with the tabular view of a navigation. Okay, so I'm going to write the CSS for the navigation. So here you can find the navigation class. Okay, navigation and the navigation UL and the li. So we are working on a navigation li. So I'm going to change, copy this class. Okay, so I write one class navigation. Navigation li. Okay, so based upon this navigation li, I have created one more class AUI view LT 480. It means AUI view less than 480. So when our browser is less than 480, then it will automatically change the output of a navigation. So I'm going to save this CSS and going to deploy and check the output of a theme. Okay, now my responsive theme is available for use. So I'm going to check the output. Now it's on a 960. So I'm going to reduce the size of my browser to 480. Now you can find the variation. Our navigation is now changed with a tabular view. So you can find the navigation with a different view, and when you increase the size of a device, now it will change. So as per this navigation, we can create many we can change the many classes which is by default used in Liferay classic theme. Okay, so I'm just going to add one more web content in this design. Okay, so first of all, I'm going. Let me drag. Okay, so I'm just selecting one banner. And I'm going to change it borderless web content display. Now I have added one image as a banner. So when I'm going to reduce the size, our banner will automatically change because of a wrapper class. Now you can find the variation as per a devices. Now it's become very small. Okay. So based upon these classes, we can create our own CSS with each and every element of a HTML. Okay. Now I'm going to check this output in a different view. Now it's a responsive test website. Okay. In this responsive website, you can find the 240, 320, 480, 768, or with different devices like iPhone, tablets, and a smartphone, tablet, and different laptops. Okay. So based upon this design, you can check the variation of design. Okay. Now our website is become responsive. So same as we can also define different elements like I'm talking about this logo. So logo width is a by default width because it's a based upon it's a image size. It's a dynamic. Okay. So we need we can create the size. We can reduce the size of logo as per our resolution. Okay. So we need to write one CSS for logo reduce. So first of all, we need to check the classes of a logo. It's a site title. Okay. And another is a dot logo and a image. Okay. So now this is a class for a logo. So based upon this class, I'm going to create a new CSS related to our width. Okay. So I'm just going with a AUI view 480. Okay. So here I'm going to define the width. It's equal to 60%. We always define this width for a logo in a percentage. and the height it's a auto. Okay, so same as we can create another class for a 320 width. And I'm going to change the size is a 40. Okay, now I have created two different class. So in this case, sometimes we need to define this width as a important. So just write important for a width. Okay, now I have set the 60% logo width for 480 and a 40% width for a 320 resolution. So, I am going to deploy this custom CSS, my responsive theme. Now my theme is available for you, so I'm going to check the output. Okay, now I'm going to check the output for a logo. Okay, now you can see the variation for a logo with the 480 resolution. Now it's become very small for a mobile devices. It's around 40%. Now it's right again become low because I have write less than classes perfect view of a AUI 480 and a 320. So for this responsive, I'm going to check the output. In some case, you cannot find this perfect width for a 240 device because I'm just I I have write a CSS for less than for not a 420, it's a 240. I think it's a very slow. Okay, I'm just going to restart my Tomcat. So wait for a few minutes. So based upon this these four classes, 4 plus another 8 classes. It means total it provides us to 12 classes like AUI View 480, 320, 720 and 960, and it's greater than and a less than value. So we can define these classes as a greater than value or a less than value. I'm just going to show you our web portal businessawas.com.
So this Business Hours portal has almost 1,000 plus responsive theme available in it, and it's a business community based on Liferay based portal. Anyone can have their own portal at no cost. You can build your own website portal with unlimited pages and everything. You can check it out for here. Okay, Mohit, you can continue. Sure.
So you can create your own portal with the 1,000 plus theme, and these all themes are responsive themes. Okay, now my server is started, so I'm going to check the output. Now you can find the variation like this logo, because it's a I have just passed the 320 width for the logo, so it become reduced for a different devices. Okay, same as we can find this banner. Okay, so banner will automatically change as per the resolutions. Now you can find the different variations. Okay, so when I'm going to totally reduce the screen, our text is become very congested. So we need to create one more class for this 320 width, because after this 320 width, our text is not readable properly. So I'm just going to add one more class for a 320. The class is just going to check. This is a portlet column class. Okay, now it display says I'm just going to change with the inline. So I have created one class for a portlet column. Okay, define it is as a display inline for the 320 resolution. I'm going to deploy this theme. Okay, now my theme is available for use. Okay, now it display with a 2 columns. Okay, so when I reduce, it automatically become in a tabular view. So whenever we open our website in a tablet, it look like this tabular view of a portlet. Okay, so same way we can create our own CSS as per this 4 classes and its variation with a greater than and a less than value. So based upon this CSS, we can create our with the help of this AUI viewport and the CSS, we can create our own website as a responsive. So AUI is a component of a AllowUI. So we can use this AllowUI for this responsive theme. Any question from your side? Hello? Hello, Chirag? Hello, Dinesh?
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
It's exciting and it's wonderful seminar to us.
Thank you. Thank you, Dinesh. Any
But I have
question
a
from your
doubt.
side?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
While limiting the using AUI,
Yeah.
is there any other option without using AUI or just CSS like any other classes?
AllowUI provide us to create a classes for this HTML. So based upon these classes, we need to write our own CSS. So
Okay,
each
sir.
devices have a different CSS.
Oh.
Okay. So
okay,
each and every
yeah.
tell me. Yeah.
When we just to customize the CSS, we can use your every pages in the Liferay portal.
Not every pages. We can write a CSS for each devices, because each
Yes,
devices
okay.
yeah, because all these devices have a different resolution. So if I am working on a tablet, it is 720 pixel width, okay, in a portrait mode, and in a smartphone there is two resolution, 320 and a 480 with a portrait and a landscape mode. So we need to write the particular CSS for the particular class.
So okay, thank you for your clarification, sir.
Okay, you're welcome.
तो डिस्काउंट जैसे करके करके लेके आना चाहिए, उसके हिसाब से उसको ये करना चाहिए.
Hello, Javed.
No, I don't have any question.
Hello, Javed, are you there?
Yeah, I don't have any question.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Marvin. Are you there? Hello, Mr. Shakir. Is there any doubt from your side? You can mail me on my email.
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Dinesh.
Yes, Dinesh.
Can I get this video so that to download?
Sorry, I cannot hear you properly.
Sorry, I asked so we can download this video. Can you have this video for download?
Yes, it will be available. We will share on our website, so you can download this video.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you for listening.
Okay, Dinesh, this is Mustafa.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, Dinesh, like post this webinar, like we will share this video on our website. So in archival phase, anybody over here, attending this webinar, or whoever are subscribed and not attending this webinar, they can see this video on our website. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And even on our portal, like we are offering this free portal on business hours. You can try that out. It has already 1,000+ themes available readily. You can build your own portal even with your domain, without your domain. That is possible. And to learn more, like we have our courses available. That is a 1-day and 2-day Liferay training courses. One is for Liferay theme development, and another is for AllowUI development. That both courses are available. If you are interested, you can mail us. Post this.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Thank you all. Good day.
Thank you. Good day, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for.
Microphone. What are you guys doing?